Hey everyone, today we are staying at the Animal Kingdom Lodge Kidani Village in a standard studio bedroom. I'm going to give you a tour of the room, but if you're new here, my name is Nelly and you're watching Park News Magic. Now let's take a look at the room. Right when you walk in, to your left, you have your kitchenette. So up here, you're going to have some paper plates, some bowls. You have some plastic spoons, forks, knives, and a bottle opener. In this next one, we have this so you can fill it up with ice. We have some plastic cups, and we have some paper towels. You have your microwave, toaster, coffee pot, some more paper cups. You have some Joffrey's coffee, the tea from Twinings, and some creamer, some sugar. This is your sink. They give you a sponge and a dish towel and some dish soap. That's the size of the sink right there. You get a mini fridge. You have a few shelves. You can put some soda cans on this side. And the freezer section of it is right there. Now below the sink, you have a trash can and some storage space if you want to take out the trash can and store some things down there. So that's your whole kitchenette right there. This is the door if you get connecting rooms. It'll connect through right here. Right now, we're just using this area to store our luggage for the moment. This is a storage closet. You have your extra pillow and blanket up there, the iron and the ironing board, and you have the safe down there. So before we get to the rest of the room, opposite of that storage closet is going to be the bathroom. In the middle, you're going to see the vanity. On the right-hand side is the water closet. And over on the left is the shower bath combo. So there's gonna be two doors, one for the entire bathroom itself and one just for the water closet or where the toilet is. So there's nothing in this room except the toilet. Over here you have your makeup mirror. Lots of space to put all of your hair products, any makeup. There's also this little shelf up here you can put all your toiletries on. We do have a bath soap bar and body lotion. Tissue box. We have our washcloths on either side. Towels are down here, and you have a few cubbies all along the bottom, and your trash right there. And more tissues, more toilet paper down there. And you have two drawers, one on each side. So lots of storage space here in the bathroom. You have your hair dryer right there. Very big mirror as well. So you have these lights on either side of the mirror. You also have a big light right there. But it is that yellow light, so it's dimly lit. It looks much brighter in the video than it does in person. Very dimly lit. There is another light right up there for the shower. You have your body wash, conditioner, and shampoo on the wall here. And this is the bathtub, which is really great if you have young kids like we do. We need the bathtub. Love the detail here on the tiles. Going around the shower. And your shower curtain. There's also a place here for you to hang a towel or anything that you might need to hang. All right, let's check out the rest of the room. So on our left, we have a wardrobe, which is right next to that closet we saw earlier. Has 2 doors. You can see we already have some of our stuff in here. These are the wooden hangers that comes with. On this side, more storage. So you can only actually hang your things on the left side and in that closet. You have this so you can prop up your luggage if you need to. There's the TV. Some more storage space over here. You have some cubby holes. You have a few drawers. That's how big they are. So there's 4 drawers, and then this storage space down here, there's 2 doors, but it's actually just one big space in there. Here's the table with your 2 chairs. There is also a mirror here with some lights on it. This is your Hey Disney Alexa device, which you can use to ask it questions. You can play music on it, and you can even have the Disney characters talk to you. When you walk into your room, when you first check in, they will usually have the mic turned off, and you'll see that here. This is red. That means that the mic is turned off. So you actually need to press that red button, and then you can start talking to it. Hey Disney, can I speak to Mickey?
Okay. I hope Mickey and Pluto have a magical time.
Hiya, pal. I'm so glad you're here. Pluto and I were just about to do some training, and I know, boy. I was getting there. Well, Pluto's been doing so well in his training that I thought it'd be a good idea to have a friend practice his commands with him. Which is why it's so great that you decided to join us.
So as you can see here,
I've got a few tricks for us to practice with Pluto.
you can interact
try
with it.
sit, or
But I'm just gonna hit the back button here. So these are touchscreen. Over here we have the couch, which is also a pull-out bed. We have these little coffee tables. The Disney Conservation Fund book. And we have our queen bed there. We have a light on either side of the bed. We only have one nightstand. We have the phone to call bell services and housekeeping. We also have the remote here. There is one drawer and some space on the bottom if you want to place anything else. We have some artwork. We have a lamp next to the couch. And before I take you outside, let's look at the entire room from this angle. All right, let's take a look outside. There's one chair This is our view. Here's another chair with a little coffee table. The camera lens is fogging up because it is quite humid out here, especially with all the trees. But basically, we are facing the porte cochere, which is over there, which is where you drop off your car. And there's like valet parking on that side, and you can hear the buses that are after the porte cochere down that way. So this is what it looks like from inside, where it's not so humid and steamy. For me, one of the biggest questions that I always have is where are all the outlets? So let's do a quick outlet check, okay? So starting when you first walk in, you have one right there, right after the door to your right. Then over in the kitchenette, you have one behind the coffee maker, obviously presumably behind the microwave, but that's the one that you're gonna be able to easily access. Then right after the bathroom area, which is over here, we have one right there. Coming to the TV area, we have two regular wall outlets and we have two USB outlets there, and over here as well. You also have one right here next to the wardrobe. On this side of the bed, you have one right there. And on the other side of the bed, you have your outlets here on the nightstand. Two wall outlets and two USB outlets. Then coming over to your table and chairs, you have four outlets down here, but one of them is being occupied by Hey Disney Alexa. And over by the couch, if you move the curtains, you have two of them right there. One of them is being used up by this lamp over here next to the couch. One of the things I do not like about this room is that it's not one of the updated DVC rooms. So the updated ones have storage space underneath right here, but we do not. We just have this board down there. So not my favorite thing. I'm used to the other DVC rooms that are updated and have that storage room down there. Another thing I really dislike about these rooms in Animal Kingdom Lodge in Kidani Village, it is super dark in here. I know it probably looks lighter on your end on the video, but in the room itself, it is super dark, especially in the bathroom. To see yourself getting ready in the morning is quite a challenge. It's not light at all. Again, in the video, it looks much lighter than it actually is. It's just this warm yellow light, and it's just very, very dark. No matter how many of them you turn on, we've turned them all on, all the lamps, and it's just not enough. I hope you like the room tour. Leave me a comment with what are the things that you love about this room and what are some of the things that you do not like. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time on Park News Magic.